Grocery shopping.
超市购物。
Number 1 to 5. Asking for help.
1到5，寻求帮助。
Could you tell me where is are, please?
你能告诉我在哪里吗？
Could you tell me where is are, please? Could you tell me where is are, please? Could you tell me where the rice is, please?
你能告诉我米在哪里吗？留意名词是众数还是单数。比方说，米是数不尽的，所以是单数，用 is。
Could you tell me where the rice is, please? Could you tell me where the rice is, please? Could you tell me where the apples are, please?
你能告诉我苹果在哪里吗？苹果多于1是众数的，所以用 are。
Could you tell me where the apples are, please? Could you tell me where the apples are, please?
可以用以下方式回答。
It's next to the section.
它位于区旁边。
It's next to the section. It's next to the section. It's next to the noodle and pasta section.
它位于面条和面食区旁边。
It's next to the noodle and pasta section. It's next to the noodle and pasta section. Section.
区。
Section. Section. What aisle are in, please?
请问在哪个通道？
What aisle are in, please? What aisle are in, please? What aisle are drinks in, please?
请问饮料在哪个通道？
What aisle are drinks in, please? What aisle are drinks in, please?
可以用以下方式回答。
It's in aisle.
是在通道里。
It's in aisle. It's in aisle. It's in aisle 2.
是在2号通道里。
It's in aisle 2. It's in aisle 2. Aisle.
通道。
Aisle. Aisle. Excuse me, where can I find?
打扰一下，请问我在哪里可以找到？
Excuse me, where can I find? Excuse me, where can I find? Excuse me, where can I find ABC brand milk?
打扰一下，请问我在哪里可以找到 ABC 牌牛奶？
Excuse me, where can I find ABC brand milk? Excuse me, where can I find ABC brand milk?
可以用以下方式回答。
Let me show you to the section.
让我带您到该区。
Let me show you to the section. Let me show you to the section. It's out of stock now.
现在缺货了。
It's out of stock now. It's out of stock now. We no longer stock this brand.
我们不再贮存这品牌了。
We no longer stock this brand. We no longer stock this brand. Could you point me towards the
你能为我指出的方向吗？
Could you point me towards the Could you point me towards the Could you point me towards the deli counter?
你能为我指出熟食柜台的方向吗？
Could you point me towards the deli counter? Could you point me towards the deli counter?
可以用以下方式回答。
Sure, it's over there.
当然可以，柜台就在那里。
Sure, it's over there. Sure, it's over there. Counter,
柜台，
counter, counter. Have you got any?
请问你有吗？
Have you got any? Have you got any? Have you got any fresh fish?
请问你有新鲜鱼吗？
Have you got any fresh fish? Have you got any fresh fish?
可以用以下方式回答。
Yes, there is a section.
有的，那里有一个区。
Yes, there is a section. Yes, there is a section. Yes, there is a fresh seafood section.
有的，那里有一个新鲜海鲜区。
Yes, there is a fresh seafood section. Yes, there is a fresh seafood section. Sorry, we don't have this for sale.
抱歉，我们没有出售此产品。
Sorry, we don't have this for sale. Sorry, we don't have this for sale. Number 6 to 10, at the checkout.
6到10，在结账处。
Do you have any loyalty card?
您有会员卡吗？
Do you have any loyalty card? Do you have any loyalty card?
可以用以下方式回答。
Yes, here you are.
有的，给你。
Yes, here you are. Yes, here you are. No, I don't have.
不，我没有。
No, I don't have. No, I don't have. Can you help me with the self-checkout?
你能帮我自助结账吗？
Can you help me with the self-checkout? Can you help me with the self-checkout?
可以用以下方式回答。
Sure. Please scan the product's barcodes here.
当然可以，请在此处扫描货品条形码。
Sure. Please scan the product's barcodes here. Sure. Please scan the product's barcodes here. Barcode.
条形码。
Barcode. Barcode. Can I use this coupon for my order?
我可以在订单中使用此优惠券吗？
Can I use this coupon for my order? Can I use this coupon for my order?
可以用以下方式回答。
Yes, please scan the coupon QR code here.
可以的，请在此处扫描优惠券的二维码。
Yes, please scan the coupon QR code here. Yes, please scan the coupon QR code here. QR code.
二维码。
QR code. QR code. Sorry, this coupon can't be used for your order.
抱歉，此优惠券不能用于您的订单。
Sorry, this coupon can't be used for your order. Sorry, this coupon can't be used for your order. Would you like a bag?
您想要一个袋子吗？
Would you like a bag? Would you like a bag?
可以用以下方式回答。
Yes, please.
好的，谢谢。
Yes, please. Yes, please. No, thank you. I've brought my own bags.
不用了，谢谢，我自己带了袋子。
No, thank you. I've brought my own bags. No, thank you. I've brought my own bags. That's dollar. Altogether. Are you paying by credit card or cash?
总共是元。您使用信用卡还是现金付款？
That's dollars altogether. Are you paying by credit card or cash? That's dollar altogether. Are you paying by credit card or cash? That's $500 altogether. Are you paying by credit card or cash?
总共是500元。您使用信用卡还是现金付款？
That's $500 altogether. Are you paying by credit card or cash? That's $500 altogether. Are you paying by credit card or cash?
可以用以下方式回答。
Credit card, please.
信用卡，谢谢。
Credit card, please. Credit card, please. Here is your receipt.
这是您的收据。
Here is your receipt. Here is your receipt. Cash, please.
现金，谢谢。
Cash, please. Cash, please. Here are your change and receipt.
这是您的找序和收据。
Here are your change and receipt. Here are your change and receipt. Thank you for shopping with us. Have a nice day.
感谢您在此购物，祝您度过愉快的一天。